Hey birdies, welcome back. Another long day, a reaction video to the group RBD. And this is a live version in Houston to the song Sir Oi Porecer. Seroparecer. Soro Porecer. Porecer. Let me not butcher these people language. I love this hair on her. And that's a vida, baby. And that I see you. I like the purple lights. Yeah, that's smoky. No. Okay, walk, Miss Thing. Miss Pantene. Baby. Well, we're contento, oh, baby. I'm just obsessed with how they look. Yes. Come on, Christian. Push through. Oh, my guitar is in the back. Chris and Kristen, look over. I love this look for this Houston tour. I'm in tears. I'm in tears. I am in tears. I love this Houston look. Rude much? I love this look. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I'm here for it. The Domador clap. The Domador clap. I'm here for it. So that's RBD performing Sir Porecer. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. But that was beautiful. I really do like that song. I really do, but I will say it over and over before. I will make it very specific for people out there. I don't understand everything fully to what they're saying, but I do understand just a little snips, not all the words, but I understand a little bit of what they're saying. So I really do appreciate it. So thanks to the one who gave me the recommendation to react to RBD live in Houston. And thanks to the person, I believe someone who gave me this channel. This is like a remastered version to RBD and some other people. But I saw RBD live in Houston, each song separated. So I was like, oh, let me react to a few of these songs today. and that's what I'm doing. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.